Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to change theme and Android phone. Changing themes on Android gives you different styles and a fresh look through new wallpapers or an entirely new UI experience. And here are the easy steps to change the theme on an Android phone. First is to unlock your Android phone, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Wallpaper and Style or Themes. Names varies by brand. Tap the Themes or Theme Store. Browse available themes. Use the search bar to find a specific theme if there is an option. Tap a theme to preview it. Check how it affects icons, wallpaper, and system colors. Tap Download or Apply. Then wait for the theme to install. Confirm Apply Theme if prompted. Now, return to the home screen to see the new theme. Also, restart the phone to apply all changes smoothly. Important notes: some themes are paid. Stock Android may only allow wallpaper and color changes. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.